Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best rabbit repellents in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Liquid Fence Deer and Rabbit Repellent Concentrate 32 ounces, apply year-round. We have a neighborhood herd of deer that spend hours in my neighbors' yards eating everything. They even laid down in the yard across the street from my flower garden. There were 3 fawns this year frolicking about. I've used liquid fence for years with inconsistent success. Last year, the deer ate everything, right down to the dirt, including stuff they don't usually eat. We had a drought, and I think they were looking for moisture as much as food. This year, I made a solid effort to spray it every other, or at most every third evening. And boy has it worked. I can't grow vegetables as not enough sun, so can't comment on them, but have lots of flowering perennials and shrubs. Azaleas, hosta, phlox, oak leaf hydrangea, sedum, windflower, daylilies, etc. They ate the daylilies in my neighbor's yard 2 feet from mine, but after initial nibbles in the spring, they've left everything alone. Number 2. Liquid Fence Deer and Rabbit Repellent Concentrate. Keep rabbits out of garden, patio, and backyard. Use on garden shrubs and trees. Harmless to plants and animals. When used, stored as directed, 40 full ounce. Repels deer and rabbititis. Deer and rabbits don't have to eat vegetation for the repellent to be effective. They have a natural aversion to the scent. Spray on plants. Used to treat landscaped ornamental gardens, flowers, shrubs, trees, and vines. Long-lasting, rain-resistant. Concentrated liquid formula starts to work immediately. Safe. Harmless to plants and animals when used and stored as directed. Apply year-round. No need to rotate with other repellent brands. Animals' natural aversion to liquid fence deer and rabbit repellent, too, will never diminish. Number 1. Nature's MACE Deer and Rabbit Repellent 40 ounces. Concentrate/covers 28,000 ft. /repel deer from your home and garden /save to use around children, plants, and produce/protect your garden instantly. Powerful Deer Repellent. Our university-backed spray has 400% more active ingredients than leading brands. Our repellent works best for deer. However, it does contain ingredients used in our rabbit repellent. All natural ingredients. Our deer repellent is strong and powerful because it uses a combination of scents and odors found in nature. Safe for use. Nature's MACE products are biodegradable and non-toxic. Our spray is safe for use around plants, pets, vegetation, and children. Feel confident in protecting your garden without using harmful chemical on vegetables and fruits. Year-round and protects your time. Repel deer all season long, whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter. Our spray will not wash off during rain, irrigation, or normal use.